Hi everyone, Tracy Drake here. I will be leading you through a 6-minute Kirtan Kriya practice. If you're interested in knowing the reason why we practice Kirtan Kriya or the premise behind it, then I suggest you go and look at the video short that I have posted explaining that. And otherwise, this is a condensed version of the Kriya practice. We're just doing a 6-minute practice. The full practice is 12 minutes, but we're starting with baby steps. We're just getting the idea of sitting for that period of time, focusing on what we're doing. Okay, there is also an instruction video on how to do Kirtan Kriya. So I'm just going to jump straight in with the practice right now. If you need to know how to do the practice, please go and look for the how to do Kirtan Kriya video. Okay, so I have my clock here. I'm going to be getting it going and finding your comfortable seated position, whatever that might be, as long as your spine is nice and long and you feel nice and grounded on whatever you're sat on. So no armchairs. If you want to use this practice lying down, that's okay, but just make sure the spine's nice and long. You have plenty of room for the diaphragm to move. Okay, and we'll jump straight in. Here we go. SaTaNaMa, 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 SaTaNaMa. Whisper. SaTaNaMa, 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 Now silently in your head, keep the finger movement going. SaTaNaMa. Now relax your efforts. Just sit and observe how you feel. Observe sensations in the fingers and hands, in the face, the mouth, the brain, anywhere in the body. Just notice your thoughts. Remember, don't believe everything that comes into your mind. When you feel you've had enough of seated, you can finish your practice in any way you like. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.